Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing, I believe this is the July, I think I'm a little backed up, the July BAM horror box. I think it's the horror box. Usually it says horror on the front, but I don't think I got the regular box, so this should be just the horror. I think it's the July one, I'm not really sure, but we'll find out together. The BAM box is generally one of the more, eclectic boxes. You get a lot of autographs, mini prop replicas, which really good. Dark Matter Props is the one that does the replicas for BAM box, and they're amazing. And, sometimes if you're not a fan of whatever the franchises, you might not like the items. There's been some really interesting ones, but generally I love the horror box. The horror box has pretty much always just hit a home run for me. So I'm going to put all the pricing and info down below as usual. If you're interested, you can go check it out, sign up yourself and get one. And it's really easy. If you don't like a franchise, you can skip the month. Once you have the account set up, you can just hit skip and it won't charge you for that month, and that's that. So let's open this up and make sure that this is the box I think it is. So, if you open up the box, this is what you're gonna see, which is black tissue paper. Yes, as usual. And I'm pretty sure this is the horror box because the other regular box has like all this like art on it. This one doesn't, so I'm pretty sure. Yes, it is. Yay! All right, so let's get rid of the paper. First up, right away I knew because we have the pin. Bam! I love it. Bam! Bam box. So we got I guess the Nintendo Jason, from the original game, it looks like. So that's the pen. Really nice. I like that. I actually got the mask from, I think, Fright Crate. So that's awesome. I like that. So the pen is cool, Jason. We have, I think this is from Blade. Is this like a shuriken? I don't know how you pronounce that. I think it's from Blade. I'm not sure though. I might be wrong. But, it's heavy. It's metal and it's heavy. So this is definitely one of those Dark Matter prop replicas. You can see right here. That is so cool. It's not sharp, obviously. But it has some weight to it. I wish it had some kind of display stand. Because, it's kind of difficult to display because it's so thin. But yeah, it's like one of those ninja star things, shurikens. So yeah, that's awesome. And we have some 3D glasses. Interesting. Okay, so that's that. And then we have our two prints. Okay, and the spoiler card. So let's put that aside. Box is empty. I feel like there's less items this month. That's strange. Okay. So this first one generally should be the art print. So let's see. Whoosh. Is it upside down? Oh, what is that? Oh, it is upside down. So, that looks like Evil Dead. Is that Evil Dead? And I think this is what the glasses are for. So I'm not sure. Yep, this is definitely, Groovy. Of course, it's Evil Dead. That's Ash on the Evil Dead. Groovy at the top. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can, yep. Oh yeah, that is awesome. It's like 3D. I wish I could show you guys. That's really cool. It's like 3D and like black light. If you have a black light, this thing, I'm pretty sure this thing is gonna glow. So, fan art collection, 3D art print Groovy. Has been hand signed by artist Brad Albright and is guaranteed to be authentic. That's cool. And I got number 402 out of 1,500. That's awesome. We didn't get any 1-ups with this box. Usually if you get a little card that says 1-up, one of your items is even more limited edition or rare, but we didn't get one, but that's cool. And they gave you the little glasses. Whoops. So that's awesome. And then this should be our autograph. Is it right side? Yep. Oh, Freddy versus Jason. Cool. Anything with Freddy Krueger, I love it. Love it. So that's pretty awesome. And the signature is hand signed by Zach Ward, who played Bobby Davis in Freddy vs. Jason. Signed during a private signing with the band box. So there's the actor. I'm assuming Bobby Davis, if you can see it right there. I think he was the male lead, I think. You know, it's a little odd because obviously with a print like this, you would expect that it would be one of the characters on here. I think I would have preferred to get, obviously this is the movie poster, but I would have preferred to get the, a picture with the character Bobby Davis in it. But maybe that's one of the alternates, because usually the art print and the autograph have variations. So that's cool. All right, so now that's it. That's all that was in the box. Let's see what we have here. The limited edition, I don't know what the differences are. I don't see anything right off the bat. Let me just show you guys. If you want to freeze it and read it, you can. All right, so for the Freddy versus Jason, hey Mark, you didn't forget about me, did you? For many of us, we can't look at Zach Ward and not think about Scott Farkas from The Christmas Story. For horror fans, we remember him as Bobby Davis emerging from the bathtub. Look for the Spanish poster edition that is numbered out of 99. Oh, I see what the difference is. I don't remember him, Freddy versus Jason. That's interesting because I just saw that movie recently and I don't remember that character then. Bobby Davis. I'm gonna have to watch it again. But so the limited poster, I had to notice, it says it in Spanish. Freddy contra Jason. So Freddy against Jason versus Jason. And then they have the one that has the actual actor, but I don't remember this scene at all. I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch the movie again. That's not an imposition. But that's cool. And then let's see, the 3D, oh, it has a different phrase. It doesn't say groovy. It says the limited of only 500 says, hail to the king, baby. So that's the difference. And then, okay, I was wrong about Blade. That is not Blade. That is Alice's throwing stars from Resident Evil Afterlife. That makes sense. And you can see her right here. Let me make sure it's in frame. So right here, you could see her throwing them. That's cool. I really wish there was some kind of like way to display it, like a base or something, because that's a really awesome item. So then for the pin, we got the common, which was the Jason mask. Limited edition, there's a 251, which is a full body pin of Jason, the 8-bit. And then the 99 limited is a pin that says, you and your friends are dead, game over. So I said that in the Jigsaw, game over. So that would be the really limited one. I like the one I got, actually. I think I prefer that one. And then this is all about a giveaway they're having. If you're a member, if you're subscribed to Bandbox, you can participate in these giveaways that they have on their Facebook page, the community page. The giveaway, win this screen-used extra blood wound for actress Michelle Rodriguez's character Rain from the movie Resident Evil Retribution. This prop was used in the actual movie and will come with a prop certificate of authenticity. That's really awesome. My husband would want that because he's obsessed with Michelle Rodriguez. He thinks she's so hot. I think she's hot too, like, please. I was like, babe, we're in agreement here. Like, Michelle Rodriguez, she get both of us. But anyway, so this was the July horror box. I don't know about August. I don't know. I haven't gotten August yet. I don't know if I ordered it. Maybe I skipped it. I don't know. I think I might have skipped it. I don't remember what the franchises were. But this was the July horror box. And I like it. I do like it. Nothing was really like amazing though for me. Like, I really was looking forward to the Freddy versus Jason item, but it's a character I don't really even remember from the movie. So that's kind of disappointing. But I do like, I think out of all the items, my favorite would be that 3D print. This is really different, really cool. I know my husband's gonna like it because he loves The Evil Dead. That's like one of his favorite horror franchises. So that's really awesome, and I like the way it looks. I definitely want to see it with a black light, because I think even without the 3D glasses, if you have a black light, it's gonna like glow, maybe, I'm hoping. So that's pretty cool. So this is my favorite item. I like the shuriken, but the throwing star, I should say. It's not a shuriken. The throwing star, but there's no way to display it. So that's like a pet peeve of mine. It's like, you know, just some cheapy little base or something that you can display it in, because now if I want to display it, it's gonna be a whole mission and a saga to hunt down like a properly sized display base, and it's just annoying. And then I know what's gonna end up happening is I'm gonna toss it in a box somewhere. I'm gonna forget about it. So that's why I try to keep these spoiler you know, sheets, because that way I know the items that I've gotten in these boxes, because, you know, you can't display everything all at once. It's impossible. So this way I remember, like, when I find this thing, you know, hidden somewhere, I'll be like, the hell is this? Like, you know, 3 years later. This way I kind of can figure it out. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Yeah, favorite item right here. So I do like the BAM horror box, and it is very different. You know, if you like art prints, if you like autographs, this is the box for you. The replicas are awesome too, but like I said, sometimes they just don't include like good displays. Like they could have put something where it stands like this or leans. I don't know. I don't work there, but it would have been awesome. Like some little wooden base where you could just stick it on like that. So let me know what you think. Comment down below if you like my channel. If you like my content, hit the like button, click the subscribe. Let me know you're out there. Bye bye for now.